Good morning, students. Last class explain here examples, given examples of degrees of comparison. Here is positive degree and here is positive degree and here is comparative degree. Next one is superlative degree. Superlative degree. For example, here is nice. Next one, short, big. Next, worthy. Next, great. Next, lawful. See children, here now that is positive degree means here adjective is plain. Adjective is plain. So no ER, nice, short, big, worthy, great, lawful. But here is comparative is, here is adjective plus ER or or. So whereas superlative degree means here is adjective plus EST or ST, ER or or. Followed here than there, followed by than. So here is the before superlative degree, the plus adjective plus est or st. For example, nice is given, nicer. Here is nicest. Next, short, shorter, shortest. Next, big is here is bigger, biggest, biggest. Next, worthy, worthier, THIER, worthiest, WRITHIEST, worthiest. Here is great, greater, yeah, greatest. Next one is here lawful, more, more lawful. And most lawful, most lawful. See children, here is adjective is plain, simple, but whereas comparative degree means a comparison is between only two persons or two things. Here is two persons or two things, nicer, shorter, bigger, worthier, greater, more. Here is nicer than, shorter than, bigger than, worthier than, greater than, more lawful than. Next, superlative degree means here the highest quality of degree. The plus adjective plus est. The nicest, the shortest, the biggest, the worthiest, the greatest, the most lawful. Okay, so here is adjective is plain, adjective er or adjective est or st. So here is PD, it is positive degree. Adjective is in between placed as. Here is nicer than, adjective plus than, and the place adjective. Okay, so children, that is let us see that is interchanges of degrees of comparison. I am going to give that is example how it should be changed from one degree to another degree. For example, Rahul one of the greatest batsmen, one of the greatest batsmen in the world. In the world. Here is the word superlative degree. It is changed it into comparative degree. Change it into, here is Rahul Dravid is one of the greatest batsman in the world. Here is here is one of the greatest. So it is superlative degree. How? Here is adjective plus est, or the greatest. Superlative degree. So it should be changed to comparative degree. So we have to write subject as is. So what is subject here is Rahul Dravid. So Rahul Dravid is. So one of the greatest. Here is Rahul Dravid is. Here is greatest. So Rahul Dravid is greater. Because it is comparative degree, the adjective here is greater than many other. We should write this phrase. Many other batsmen in the world. Here is greater than many other. So here Rahul Dravid is one of the greatest batsmen in the world. Change it into comparative degree. So comparative degree means here greater, greatest. Here is greater. That is the comparative degree adjective. So we have right here subject as is. Verb is singular. So Rahul Dravid is no change verb. Rahul Dravid is here greatest became greater than followed. So many other batsmen in the world. See, that is next example here, children. Next example. This is comparative to, here is superlative degree. This is to comparative degree. Next, second example. Alexander was the greatest soldier was the greatest soldier in the world. This is changed to positive degree. So children, see that here is Alexander was the greatest soldier in the world. What degree? Here is greatest, the plus est. The plus superlative degree here is there. So general children, the is that is particularly here before adjective. It should be used in superlative degree. Then is comparative degree. So the greatest soldier. It is superlative degree. So it should be changed to positive degree. So before that, here is we should use the phrase no other. It is phrase because Alexander greatest soldier అని చెప్పాలి. ఇక Alexander తప్ప ఎవరు లేరు అనే విధంగా మనం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి no other. So here object. So soldier here is there. So it should be object became subject. Here is soldier in the world object. No other soldier in the world. After that we should write here is verb. So no other soldier in the world is, sorry, here is was. The same verb we should write here is past tense. No other soldier in the world was. So we should write adjective plain. So it between as. So here is adjective means here is greatest. So we should write here is no other soldier in the world. No other is place. Beginning of the positive degree. So object soldier in the world. Subject soldier in the world was. So here you should write as great as. As great as. So here is adjective should be placed between as మధ్యలో adjective అనేది మనం యూజ్ చేయాలి. As great as Alexander. As great as Alexander. Okay children, ఒకసారి చూడండి. No other అని ప్రేస్ ఇస్తున్నాం. Object subject soldier in the word అనేది. Verb అనేది it's very important here. Past tense ఉంటే past tense verb రాస్తాం. Present tense రాస్తున్నాం. Was. Adject ఉందని మనం ఏం చెప్పాం కంపారిటివ్ డిగ్రీలో greater than అన్నాం. Super degree the greatest. Similarly, so as place between adjective. As majno, as great as big as small as beautiful as. Okay. So the no other soldier in the world was as great as Alexander. So this is past two. Previously it is comparative degree చూస్తాం. ఇప్పుడు పాస్ట్ డిగ్రీ చూస్తున్నాం. నెక్స్ట్ సూపర్ డిగ్రీ చూద్దాం. No other. Next example children, see that here is. No other river in the world is as long as the Nile. Nile is name of the river. The Nile. So it should be converted into superlative degree. Superlative degree. See children, here is. No other river in the world is as long as the Nile. So in previous what we have write, object became subject. Whereas we should start here is past degree. But here is superlative degree. Simple. The Nile. Object became subject. Here is the Nile is. Here is long, longer, longest. So the Nile is the longest. Here is adjective. The longest river in the world. In the world. The Nile. Here is their object. Object is subject చేస్తానండి. The Nile. Verb ఎక్కడ ఉంది ఇక్కడ? Verb is long. చూడండి long is here is adjective long. Long, longer, longest. Okay. So the Nile is long, longer, longest river in the world. So it is superlative degree. Okay children. The plus adjective here is there. EST. So in this way, I think we have to change interchange of degrees of comparison from superlative degree to positive degree to comparative to that is superlative degree. Okay children, see you. Thank you.